Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, it's another mom vlog, and I'm not quite sure when I'm gonna post these. I think I'm gonna post them on Sundays or every other Sunday. Comment what you guys think when I should post these vlogs. But in today's vlog, we're just going to be organizing underneath the sink and also our linen closet. The underneath the sink one is the one that you're gonna see all of the process. And I know a lot of you guys have some place in your house that need organizing, whether it's underneath your sink, in your linen closet, in your pantry, your closet. So I hope this video get you inspired to want to organize your life, especially now that we have a lot of free time on our hands. I feel like having a new child, a lot of the stuff in our house is all over the place. She's a brand new human being and she comes with her own set of clothes and items, so we have to make space for her. So in this vlog, this is what I'm basically doing. I'm just organizing. And honestly, I feel like I'm getting old because this is the stuff that makes me happy, when my house is organized and I know where everything is at and my house is clean. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like that. Comment in the comment section if you feel like that also. I also feel good going to my bed early these days. It's crazy to me, but yeah. So all I'm doing is I'm taking out all the items from the left side of this sink. This sink is a mess. Okay, it's a mess, and I have a lot of postpartum stuff in here, like my box of pads and stuff, my wig, like so much stuff just thrown out all over the place. So I'm just going to take everything out from that side. And if you guys are wondering where I got that white bin from that I'm taking everything out of, it's from the dollar store. All the white bins that I'm gonna use in this video is from the dollar store. The only thing that's not from the dollar store is this two-tiered bin that I'm going to organize, that's on the right side. So this video is kind of self-explanatory, so I'm gonna insert some music so you guys can just watch what I'm doing basically. Honestly, this sitz bath is the one thing that is hard to store underneath the sink because I didn't want it to take a lot of space up, because I want all my underneath the sink space to be used up. So this one was a struggle for me, but I wanted to keep it in the bathroom because this is my postpartum care routine. So in this white bin, I'm just going to put all my feminine products and my body care products, both mine and Milani's, like our lotion, my Lulus Holistic Yoni Wash, my Lulus Holistic, my backup body conscious butter, their body wash, a loofah, my face scrub that I use on my face. Just all my body items are gonna go in this one bin over here. So with this, all I'm putting in are my combs, my edge brushes, and all that stuff is gonna go in this little bin. And these little bin that comes in different shape and sizes are so good from the dollar store. I use them all over the house. I even use them in my drawer to divide Kai and Milani's clothes up, especially Milani, and she has the small stuff like her socks and her headbands and stuff. They're great for that. Now on to this two-tier organizer, and this organizer actually came with dividers, and I didn't know that until I took everything out of it. They were laying on the bottom of the bin, so I'm just going to use the dividers and divide this bottom bin into 3 sections, and I'm gonna put the stuff that I don't necessarily use every single day or once a week in this section of the bin. So basically stuff that I, and also stuff that I know that is not tall, because if you put stuff that are tall in this part, you're going to have to lay them down. So that's what I'm gonna put in this part of the storage bin. So So in this little square container, all I'm putting in is my wig glue and my wig glue remover, and like my edges stuff, things that are used for my edges. Now for this section, I'm going to put in all my hair items that I use a lot, whether it's a couple times a week or once a week, that are tall that I can put in the bottom. I'm going to put all my hair stuff up here, and not only my hair stuff, all the Cantu stuff that you see is actually Milani's hair stuff, hair items, okay, for her hair care routine. So now you can see everything is organized, and I'm just showing you guys how I set up everything. So the first little area on the bottom storage bin, I keep my tools like my crochet needle, my hair sponge. On the second one, I keep like hair clips and Milani's hair shampoo thing. It's like a headband that you put around her head to make sure shampoo don't get into her face, and then elastic band clips and stuff for that section. And then at the back section, I had my big tub of Vaseline and then my thing with my head wrap, because I always use a wig cap and a head wrap. So yeah, you all saw the top section. That's just my wig stuff, and then my edge stuff, and then all my hair care items, and then my brushes are in this big white container at the bottom, and then my pine sol and stuff that I used to clean the bathroom constantly. So babe said he saw a snake, and I ran outside to see it, because this is the second snake that we've seen in about a week.
Hey, me see it crawl in between the shoes. You see it?
God almighty, yes. This is Florida. What the
It's long enough?
God almighty.
See there, watch it. Want me to move the shoes?
Yeah.
See there?
See there.
If you come out more and see it. You have to come towards your foot. Go on. Out to the garden.
Rotted. So this is my linen closet. I didn't actually show you guys a lot of me organizing this linen closet, but it really needed organizing. It's not that bad, but I like it to be a little bit neater. So yeah. Basket, all I'm putting in this basket are my special occasion candle, whether it's the regular candles or the battery operated candles. Then I'm putting in my extra light bulbs that we use in the house, and also my extra like cotton pads, air cleaner, all of that in this little box right here. I also took out all our tissue from out the pack and put it in this brown bin that I had in this closet, and did them in a stack formation, and it looks so nice. when the tissue are out of the plastic container. Oh my god. So yeah, the bottom part is the tissue and all of my Christmas decorations. Basically the first part, the first, I don't, shelf, basically, I can't even talk, is my kitchen stuff. So my kitchen rags and stuff to decorate the kitchen, and you guys already know what's in that basket, that foldable container. Then the other shelf is all my toothbrush, toothpastes, mouthwash, soap, and all of that is on that shelf right there. Then going up a little bit further, I have my bathroom stuff. So basically my shower curtains, whether it the cloth one and the plastic one, plastic liners, and I have my hand towels and my regular regular towels, basically, or rags, I should say, regular rags, hand towels and rags. Then on the other shelf, I have my sheet and also pillowcases on one side, and then at the back I also have my curtains, and I don't change my curtains a lot, probably every season or every other season, so I put those at the back. And then at the top I have my comforter, because that top shelf have a lot of space up top, so we can put all the comforters up there and they fit nicely. So yes, this is my mom vlog. Comment what you guys think of these videos. Do you guys like them? Do you guys want to see more of them? Tell me what you guys think about them so far. This is my second one that I've done, and you guys are going to see a lot more organizing videos from me if you guys actually like these videos. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. And you guys even got to get a glimpse of Milani. Okay, I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.